Hello everyone, this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost, and I have another beautiful journal that has been finished and ready to go. So it is my butterfly journal, and I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So here we are. We have the tassel, or tassel, however you want to pronounce it. And then we have the nice big butterfly on the front. And this is the closure. This beautiful, I don't know if you call it ribbon or what you want to call it, but it's kind of fuzzy stuff. And so, whoops, okay. So here is, I guess I need to glue that down a little. Here's your butterfly as a closure. And then, open it. This says this book belongs to. And then of course we have tuck spots here and little places to journal. We also have a feather and another tag right here. That's my card there. And then we have the butterfly here. Some pretty nice decorative paper. Another tuck spot. Another place to journal. All my books are usually sewn. They have stitches and different things in them, and I have a embossing machine that I emboss, and these are butterflies. And then I had some butterfly paper, and I stamped a couple places. Another butterfly there. And some decorative paper. And we have another place to journal along with another magnet. And then we have the flower. Another sheet of paper to journal. And this has all been sewn here. This is a lot of my tea-dyed paper. And we have a little squirrel here on a paper clip. Another flip with the tuck spot with some more paper to journal in. Another butterfly. I always try to keep a lot of journaling pages blank so people can actually journal in the journal. And so this one has also 2 signatures, and this is, let's see how many pages. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 pages, so you're talking 14, and then times that would be 28 spots to journal or to decorate however you wish. Here's another envelope with journaling paper inside there. Tag. Embossed butterflies with some lace as a tuck spot. Another butterfly. More tea-dyed paper. And then some just regular junk paper. And then here's your second signature, second half. Another butterfly. Some tags, another tuck spot with butterflies. Another butterfly, lots of butterflies. Stamping, another collage that I made. With a lot of decorative paper, really pretty paper pieces. Oh, wait a minute. Do I have 3 signatures? No, I only have... Oh, wow. Okay, I forgot. I have 3 signatures in this one, so double, triple what I said earlier. That would be 14, 28, 7's 21. So, anyway, you do the math. 7 times 3 is 21, times 2 would be 42, and then times that by 2. So you're looking at, you know, 80 pages back and all pages, front and back, to journal or decorate in, however you want to do it. So this is a pretty big book. There's the other signature. These have been sewn in. It's been a while since I've been able to look at some of my stuff that I used. Okay, so these have been sewn in, and you have washi tape right here, and this is the back of the book, which is all butterflies material, and then they're sewn in signatures that I made. I hope you can see this. Made these little buttons on the outside. And then so you just wrap it back around like this. Oh, and then you tie it under here. And that's it. This book is also going up for sale. I do have an Etsy shop, but I'm not putting anything in my Etsy because I'm getting ready to do a show. And most of my stuff usually sells at these shows. So, but I'm giving everybody an opportunity to buy